test to distinguish between acid and bases. So already you have learned about the properties of acid and bases. Both acid and bases are opposite to each other. But how we will distinguish acid and bases? To distinguish acid and bases in object, we use some indicators. So there are some things which are used to distinguish the acid and bases. What are these things? They are called as indicator. So come to the topic, indicator here. So take a rough cloth, stain it with turmeric paste. Turmeric paste means haldi paste. That means put some water in haldi powder and make a paste and apply it on our cloth. And then apply soap. What you will see? You will see that the yellow color of turmeric has been changed into orange. Why? Because soap has been applied on it. So turmeric is used as an indicator. Come to the topic, indicator. The substance which are used to distinguish between acid and bases are called indicators or acid-base indicator. Underline this line. And these indicators are of two types, natural indicators or synthetic indicators. Natural indicators means which are derived from nature, that is from plant or animals. They are called natural indicators such as turmeric powder, China rose extract and the litmus paper, litmus solution. So underline the turmeric powder, China rose, that is hibiscus, and the litmus test. Turmeric powder, that means the haldi powder. So haldi powder is used as an indicator to identify the acid and base. So if we apply acid or on turmeric paste, then no color will change. But if we apply the bases like soap, then what will happen? The color will change from yellow to orange. So turmeric is applicable only to the bases but not to the acid. Next is the China rose indicator. Take a shoe flower, collect all the petals and boil it in water. After some time you will see the pink color. That is the China rose indicator. Now when we put acid in China rose indicator or when we put the China rose indicator in acid, it changes into purple color. That is the magenta color. And whereas if we put this China rose indicator in base, then it will change into green. From pink to green, base, and from pink to magenta, that is the dark pink, that is the acid. So that is the China rose indicator. Then we have the litmus test. Litmus is obtained from lichen. Lichen is a symbiotic plant. So underline this line. Litmus is obtained from lichen. So lichen is a symbiotic plant. Original litmus is of purple color. That means when original litmus we take, it is in purple color. But when we add acidic solution, then it changes into red. So that is called red litmus. And when we add the base in this litmus color solution, then it changes into blue litmus. So red litmus and the blue litmus we say as the common solution, or it is also used in the litmus paper, that is the red litmus paper and the blue litmus paper. So by using the litmus solution we can distinguish acid and base. If we put this litmus solution, the blue litmus solution, into acid and it turns red, then it means it is acid. So acid turns blue litmus red while the bases turns red litmus blue. So that is about the natural indicator. Now come to the synthetic indicator. Synthetic indicators are the man-made indicators and they are also called artificial indicators. Examples are phenolphthalein, phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Phenolphthalein remain colorless in acid but gives pink color in base. So when we put some acid, when we put phenolphthalein in acid, it just remain colorless. But when we put some base in phenolphthalein, then it changes into pink color. So phenolphthalein only react with base, and methyl orange gives pink color in acid and yellow color in base. So methyl orange changes into pink in acid but remain yellow in base. So read it as phenolphthalein as the pronunciation. And do you know the smell of onion extract changes in base but remains same in acid? Onion extract will change in smell in base, whereas it remains same in acid. So that is called the olfactory indicators. So there are of two types, natural indicator and synthetic indicator. Checkpoint, name two natural indicators. Any two natural indicators, that is the turmeric paste and the litmus paper. These are the two natural indicators. How does turmeric act as an indicator? Turmeric changes its color when turmeric when bases are applied on a turmeric paste, that it changes from yellow to orange. That's why it acts as an indicator. So write the checkpoint and learn the topic. That's all.